So they asked her ukuthi-ke, what Martin, the question was, how do you know English? Where did you learn English? And this girl comes in and says, man, we learned the English from the colonizers. The colonizers taught us the English, and then they left. They took everything and they forgot their English. Oh, I.
And English was left with us.
Yeah, they forgot the English. They took everything with them. They forgot the English behind. So, yeah, ibona nje leyo nto leyo ukuthi-ke the colonizers have left, but bona they are still stuck with the English.
Did you hear her? She just said that social media, it's either X, YouTube, TikTok, or whatever. It's nothing without South Africa. Do you agree with that?
Whether you agree or you don't agree, but it's the truth. It is nothing without South Africans. That is why most content creators, they are now, all of them are talking about South Africa.
Yeah, sure.
They are no longer doing content with their own countries. Answer me with isisuthu sakho. Ngi-answerishe ngesisuthu sakho muntu wami wase-Africa or wase-South Africa. Ngi-answerishe ngesisuthu sakho. Uma ukhuluma isiVenda, ngi-answerishe ngesivenda sakho. So that mina ngizofuna ukwazi ukuthi uthini-ke mawusuthi ungichazeleke. Usungangichazelanga nge-English ukuthi no, leli lithi ngithi. Okay. Ukuze nami ngizokwazi ukufunda ilanguage yakho. Nawe futhi ufunde isiZulu sami. Ngoba le English hayi nisimele kancane babheke ngisengisi bandla.
Is not make sure.